Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. First of all, Happy New Year to everybody. I really hope 2021 is good for all of us and the stupid COVID just goes away. And yeah, also before we begin, I am really sorry that there was a gap of a few weeks that I haven't posted. It's majorly due to the update that I'm going to give you today in this video. तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं कि बेसिकली हमें कनाडा में आके सबसे पहला थिंग जो हमें करना है ऑब्वियसली इज टू फाइंड अ जॉब, राइट? एंड उस चीज़ के बारे में आज हम बात करेंगे. आई गिव यू सम टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स that we have applied, and update is coming at the end of the video, so please stay tuned till the end. Okay, the first thing is to network. Unlike your home country, I don't know where you're from, but unlike the place that we were from, which is India, यहाँ पे jobs बहुत अलग तरीके से work करती है. यहाँ पे it's all about your relationship, the relationship that you build with the recruiters, with your peers. That is what is going to get you a job. So the networking part का सबसे best thing ये है that you can start it from your home country. आपको ये वेट नहीं करना है कि आप कनाडा आओ और फिर ये प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करो. सो आई फील लाइक यू शुड स्टार्ट राइट नाउ एंड दिस इज द राइट टाइम. So to network, the best platform is LinkedIn. I would highly recommend that because हमने भी वही use किया है. So all you have to do is search for the people who are doing the kind of role that you want to do when you land here. तो जैसे I'll take an example of a IT developer. तो अगर आप एक IT डेवलपर हैं तो just go to LinkedIn, search IT developer and put in the location wherever you want to be in Canada. And the profiles that you get, I think you can approach those people and you can talk to them about the job market in Canada currently for your role. I would highly recommend doing that. The second thing you can do with networking is you can network with the recruiters. Now, this is a very important step, and I think this is what is going to probably land you your first job in Canada. So, same cheese, go to LinkedIn, find an IT recruiter, just put that in your search and put Canada. You will get a whole list. So start talking to them, tell them that this is your plan, this is how far you are in the process, and talk to them generally, build a relationship. I think that is very important here. All right, now the next process step is that you have landed in Canada, you're here, and you have your SIN number, you've got everything. Now you're ready to start applying. अब कनाडा में होता ये है कि there is a preference of the company of how they look for a candidate. The first thing, or probably the first two are tied, is references and recruiters. तो इनको सबसे ज़्यादा वेटेज मिलता है. अगर आपकी एप्लीकेशन इनके थ्रू जाएगी, कि एक रेफरेंस के थ्रू या एक रिक्रूटर के थ्रू, तब चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं कि आपकी एप्लीकेशन पिक हो जाए और आपको एक इंटरव्यू कॉल आए. सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू नीड टू डू. Start looking for anybody who's working in Canada that you know. Start asking them if there's any vacancy in their organization and if they can refer you. Okay. The other thing we've spoken about is looking at recruiters and contacting them. So that also you need to start doing. So what I would recommend here is that LinkedIn has a 1 month free premium membership, right? So that you can activate as soon as you land in Canada. I think उसके बाद से आपका जो वो 1 month होगा, I think that will be very important for you to find a job. In that case, what happens is, आप जब एक जॉब प्रोफाइल देख रहे हैं और जॉब वेकेंसी देख रहे हैं, तब आपको ये समझ आ जाता है कि वो जॉब वेकेंसी कौन से रिक्रूटर ने अपलोड की है. And with a premium membership, you can actually contact that recruiter directly. So I think that is very beneficial. The other thing, if you've exhausted all your acquaintances, you've exhausted all your recruiters and nobody's actually helping you out, in that case, the other thing you can do is help yourself, right? So you can help yourself by going to indeed.ca and monster.ca. I think these are the two websites जहाँ पे आप apply कर सकते हो directly, and also you can go to direct company websites and you can apply there. So आपका profile जो है Indeed पे, Monster पे, I would recommend keep it updated and complete it before you come to Canada. That will save you some time. All right, the second step, which is very important, is actually tweaking your resume. Now, by tweaking the resume, I do not mean that you need to have a format, which is the Canadian format that is advertised everywhere. पर्सनली इफ़ यू आस्क मी, हमने कभी भी हमारा जो इंडिया का भी रेज्यूमे था, हमने वो ऐसे ट्वीक नहीं किया कि कुछ फॉर्मेट चेंज किया हो. All that we have done is tweaking your resume to the job that you're applying for. Now what I mean by that is, अगर आपने एक job देखी है and you're interested in that job, look at what the keywords are in the job description. Okay, so suppose I'll give you an example of a business analyst, right? So for a business analyst, maybe in the job description there's requirement gathering, right? There is wireframing. So in that case, include these keywords in your resume specifically. Now ये इसलिए important है क्योंकि resumes in a probably in a day a recruiter gets about hundreds of resumes, और वो इनको छांटते हैं manually नहीं. If you're in that impression, they don't do it manually. What they do is they have an algorithm that picks up these keywords from the resumes, and those are the resumes that get shortlisted. So I think that is very important. हर एक जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन के लिए, हर एक जॉब प्रोफाइल के लिए यू हैव टू हैव अ वेरी ट्वीक्ड रेज्यूमे, पर्सनलाइज्ड रेज्यूमे. आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड दैट. Alright, the next thing is you've applied for a job and everything's gone well. Now the interview process. अब इसमें there is a slight difference if you go through a recruiter and if you go through the company otherwise. So with a recruiter, what happens is they do a screening call with you. Now in the screening call, they will try and get to know you better, get to know what you've worked at before, what are your skills, and आप क्या expect कर रहे हैं अपने नए job से यहाँ पे. So I would recommend, or I would say that don't be afraid to take a job that is below par in terms of the job description or the job title. So say suppose you're a manager back in India, and you're managing a team, but when you come here there might be a case where they might start you at a team level, so you won't have a team under you. So be open to all of that. Now जब आप recruiter के through जाते हैं, like I was saying, they have a screening call. Now in this screening call, they kind of build your profile, and this is the profile that gets sent to the company, and then the company gets in touch with you. And in normal other routes, when you're not going through a recruiter, all of this happens with the company. So the HR will probably call you and there won't be any screening as such. All right, one word of caution here. A lot of people I have heard have been asked for some kind of monetary benefit from the recruiter. So they've been asked for money or something from a recruiter. So I would suggest, and I would want to tell you guys, that यहाँ पे कोई भी recruiter आपसे पैसे नहीं लेगा. Okay, if that is the case, if they're asking for that, then I think you should stay away from them, because the recruiter actually gets their money from the employer, not from the employee. So please stay away from these kind of recruiters. Okay, and depending on your entry level, your experience level, the company that you're working for, they might have starting from 1 to up to 4 interview rounds. And all right, now for the update that I had to give you guys. Now since I was so inactive the last few weeks, only reason for that is that I have got a new job in Canada, and this is my first ever job in Canada. And the bonus is it's a permanent job. So I am very, very excited, and that's what I've been doing for the past 2 weeks, and I've started that new job. So more on that, and everything related to कौन से types की jobs होती हैं in Canada, how is it different from the rest, and all of these details I'm going to share with you guys in the next video. So please stay tuned and hit that bell icon, subscribe to the channel so that you get timely updates. And secondly, please comment below what kind of job are you looking for when you come to Canada. What are your job profile? Maybe we can help you out, we can give you some tips and tricks, and we'd love to do that. So please do like and share this video if you have liked it, and share it with anybody who is coming into Canada or who's planning to do that. So thank you so much guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video and learned something new. Thank you. Bye.